Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Confirm your PC meets Windows 11 requirements, TPM2, 0, secure boot, and enough RAM. Once done, back up your documents and critical folders to an external drive or cloud and verify the copies. Make space by removing temporary files and uninstalling unused apps. You need roughly 20-30 gigabytes free. Then run Windows Update to apply all pending Windows 10 updates. These steps reduce installer errors and preserve your data when the upgrade process begins. Run the Microsoft Installation Assistant or mount the official Windows 11 ISO and launch setup. When prompted, explicitly choose Keep Personal Files and Apps so your data stays intact. Before starting, disconnect printers and USB drives you don't need and temporarily pause third-party antivirus. If BitLocker is enabled, suspend it to prevent key issues. Watch the installer progress through download, feature updates, and installation phases. Make sure your laptop is plugged in. The process will restart several times and may take an hour or more. After the final restart, complete the Windows 11 first run prompts and sign in. Check that your user folders, documents, and applications are present and open key apps to confirm functionality. Re-enable BitLocker and your security software, then update device drivers through Device Manager or the OEM support site for best stability. If something went wrong, don't panic. Boot to Windows Recovery Environment, try System Restore or Startup Repair, and if necessary, restore from your backup image. That single recovery tip usually gets you back to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.